Have you ever wondered how factory cities transformed society during the Industrial Revolution? Let's explore this pivotal era of urbanization and economic change. During the Industrial Revolution, factories like Volkswagen's in Wolfsburg emerged as central hubs. These facilities were more than just buildings. They were economic powerhouses that shifted societies from agrarian lifestyles to industrial ones. The Industrial Revolution brought new financial institutions such as the stock exchange, first in London and then in New York. These exchanges facilitated investment and capital flow into factories, driving industrial growth. Working conditions in these factory cities were harsh. Despite better wages than agricultural work, workers faced long hours, pollution, and sometimes child labor. This era also saw the rise of industrial financiers, who played a significant role. The shift to factory cities led to urbanization as people migrated from rural areas for better opportunities. This demographic change reshaped social structures and living conditions, leading to both economic growth and societal challenges. The era of factory cities marked the transition from manual labor to machine-driven production. This shift not only increased productivity, but also laid the groundwork for modern industrial societies and economic systems. In summary, factory cities during the Industrial Revolution were catalysts for social and economic transformation. They represented a pivotal shift towards a sect industrial society with lasting impacts on urbanization and worker conditions. Today, we've explored the profound impact of factory cities during the Industrial Revolution. How do you think this era shaped modern economies? Share your thoughts in the comments.